This is Ellie. Ellie is a young and determined business owner who wants to build and develop her brand, but she's having a hard time getting her sales going. Ellie's trying her best with email campaigns, social media promotions, but everything seems to be too cluttered with advertisement these days. Often, her money and time are spent without getting a decent return on her investment. Well, there's one thing Ellie hasn't tried yet: text marketing. With a 98% open rate and up to 32% of customers responding to offers, text marketing seemed like the right choice for her. What happened? Customers started coming back to her store for all the awesome deals Ellie had for them. The results? Her subscribers grew, so did her audience, and of course, her sales. SMSBump offers a seamless Shopify integration that lets you text all your customers or use a number of filters for more narrow targeting. You can set up automations like abandoned cart reminders that help you recover lost sales and boost your revenue. You can also create subscription forms, set up quiet hours, set up max text message price, track campaign results, and many more. With SMSBump for Shopify, Ellie is not struggling with sales anymore, and you shouldn't struggle either. So download SMSBump today, get your free credits, and start your new text marketing journey.